and we are doing paper 2 this time around. We're doing paper 2, June 2021 of economics ordinary level. Let's get started. So we are required, take note, in 2021 we are required to answer any 5 questions. So I want you to always read the instructions, and we have 2.5 hours to do this. Let's get started. First question is telling us that, what do you understand by optimum population? Hmm? Then the population of a okay, let's start. What do you understand by optimum population? This is it. They said an optimum population is the size of a population that, when combined with the available resources and technology, yields the highest possible per capita income. So this is what you understand by optimum population. And what they said is 4 marks. So this can give us 2 marks. You just have to add that. This means that there are enough people to efficiently utilize resources and maintain a high standard of living without depleting those resources. Good, we have our 4 marks. And then question B says that the population of a country in 2010 was 24 million inhabitants, comprising 30% youths, 60% in the working age group, and 30% in the old age group. The total output for the year was valued at 480 million francs CFA. Calculate the size of the dependent population. So the first thing is calculate the size of the dependent population. So the size of the dependent population, let's look at the question again. What is dependent population? Dependent population is old age, and the youth, the young population, because 60% is the working age group. So this is the independent population. These people that the working population, so they're independent, but the youth and the old age groups that are the dependent population. So we're using 30% and 10%. So the size of the dependent population now, we come here. We know that the dependent population consists of the youths and the old age group. So they depend, these people are depending on the working population to survive. So should I use my pencil? I'll use my pencil here. So this, because this is it, we have 10% old age group and 30% working population. 30% is up here, but you see this is 30% 30% youth and 10% old age group. So back to this. So that the dependent population consists of 30% youth and 10% old age group. That's what I was saying. So total dependent population is equals to 30% of 24 million plus 10% of 24 million. So 30%, when you convert 30% is the same as 0.3, because 30% is 30 divided by 100. So 30 divided by 100 is 0.3, and then 10% as 10 divided by 100. 10 divided by 100 is 0.1, and all of these times 24 million. If million is 6 zeros, and 24 million, because here they said the population was 24 million inhabitants. So this, when you add both, you get 96 million. So our dependent population is 96 million. So the answer here is 96 million. And then I would like to scroll down. What's the next question? The next question says this: the dependent ratio. The dependency ratio, we're supposed to calculate the dependency ratio. So when we're calculating the dependency ratio, it means that the dependency ratio is the ratio of the dependent population divided by the working age population. So this is how they calculate dependency ratio. Dependency ratio is the ratio of the dependent population divided by the working population times 100. That's, it should be in percentage. So the working population, the equation is 60%. Let's check. Working population equation is 60%. 60% the working age group. Good. So we have a 60% of 24 million. So that is what we have. This, it is 14,400,000. This is our working age population. So the dependency ratio, don't use by the percentage and divide it. It's not by percentage. Don't forget, you have to calculate population first. Okay, that's why we're calculating the independent population first, the working population first. So the working population is 14,400,000. That should be the denominator because the working age population is the denominator, and is the dependent population is what we divide by the working population. So the dependent population is what we calculated above. That's the 30% youth and the 10% old age. Then the working population is this, what we just calculated here, all of this times 100. So our dependency ratio is 66.67. Don't forget it's rounded up. So the answer to this, even if you put 66.666, they always take it, but it's always good to round up. So I've rounded up to 66.67%. Okay, percentage work dependency ratio is always multiplied by 100 to get the percentage. And then the next thing we're doing is the per capita income. How much did we make? The total output for a year was valued at 48 million francs CFA. So that's not the per capita income. Good. Clear. And then let's do the per capita income. The per capita income is the total output divided by the total population. As you are seeing, per capita income is the total output divided by the total population. And our total output is they gave us here, we made 48 million per year. Our total population was, with our total output of 480 million per year, and our population is 24 million inhabitants. So that's our 480 million divided by 24 million inhabitants, giving us 20 francs CFA. It means that per capita income is 20 francs CFA. So that's it. The answer to point 3 is 20 francs CFA. And then C, they said explain 4 effects of large scale emigration. Emigration, don't forget, we're talking about emigration, not immigration. Not that's emigration, we're living out of the country. Emigration of Cameroonians of the age 18 to 60 years on the economy of Cameroon. That's 4 effects of living out of the country when Cameroonians of the age 16 of the age 18 to 60 years on the economy of Cameroon. So well, I'll have to scroll down, and when I'm scrolling down, I mean that 4 effects of large scale emigration. Large scale, as many people have left the country. Many people between the 18 to 60 years have left out of the country. Don't forget emigration, not immigration. Keyword here is E. So we have loss of workforce. Emigration of individuals in the age 18 to 60 age range who constitute a working age group. Okay, this is a working age group from 18 to 60 because retirement age in Cameroon is 60 or 65. So 18 to 60, this is a working age group who constitute a working age group can lead to a shortage of skilled and unskilled labor. This can negatively impact productivity and economic growth. And then two, we have reduced economic output, which is significant portion in the productivity in the productive population living. The total output of goods and services in the country is likely to decline, adversely affecting the gross domestic product. So we have loss of workforce, reduced economic output, and then two more, brain drain. We have the brain drain, as emigration often involves this. I'll have to use my pencil. As you have brain drain, as emigration often involves educated and skilled individuals seeking better opportunities abroad. This brain drain can result in a loss of valuable human capital or expertise. So we will lose our expertise, the loss of valuable human capital or expertise, which can hinder technology and industrial advancements. And then decreased tax revenue. We have decreased tax revenue because a smaller working age population translates to a reduced tax. And this can lead to lower government revenue, or thus impacting public services and infrastructure development and increasing the financial burden of those remaining. So we've had our 4 points. We've had loss of workforce, we have reduced economic output, we have brain drain, and we have decreased tax revenue. You write short notes about it and you have your map. And then what's the next one? Next So this is a question two now. This is question two. So we're done with question one. Now we're answering any five. So this is already 20 marks. We have a 20 marks here. So let's go to the next 20 marks. We are supposed to distinguish between the following: economics of scale and the economics of scale, division of labor and efficiency of labor, specific and non-specific factors of production. They will explain four determinants of efficiency of labor. Good. So distinguish between the following. We have economics of scale and the economics of scale. So economics of scale, this refers to the cost advantage that a business can achieve by increasing its scale of production. As production increases, the cost per unit of output decreases due to factors like bulk purchasing of materials involved in managerial efficiency and the spread of fixed costs over a large number of units. And then the economics of scale, this can occur when a company or business grows so large that the cost per unit increases. So this is a cost advantage that a business can achieve. This is when a business increases the scale of production. And then this one, it can happen due to factors like the economics of scale. And this occurs when a company or business goes so large that its cost per unit increases. This can happen due to factors like increased complexity in management of text and sources and inefficiencies that arise from coordinating a larger workforce or multiple locations. Then they have told us that division of labor and efficiency of labor. For division of labor, this is a process of breaking down the production process into smaller specialized tasks where each worker or group of workers is assigned a specific task to increase productivity and efficiency. And then efficiency of labor now refers to the productivity of workers. So this is when workers are specialized in what they are good at. That's division of labor. And then there this is the productivity. This is the output. Efficiency is more of like output, so it's the productivity of workers which can be influenced by factors such as skilled level, working conditions and motivation. So efficiency of labor means producing more output with the same amount of input. But division of labor means you're dividing workers according to what they're good at. Efficiency of labor, you're producing more output, the same amount of input. And then we have
Classgate.com is an online learning platform for both teachers and students. If you want to teach on Classgate. Okay, I'm encouraging all teachers, and please tell your teachers that you can support them. Okay, they should get the video of the solutions and you can support them on Classgate. Okay, so that the course is there anytime you want and it's available there for you. Anytime you want, you can always access the solutions and access the course. Even if you've forgotten something, you can always access the course that your teacher has uploaded online. Okay, and you can support them on Classgate. Good. So when it comes to Classgate, the first thing you want to do is you log in. I've told you before, log in with your Google account. For those of you who have Google accounts, super for you. Log in with your Google account. Just log in with your Google account. It's very easy. Log in with your Google account so you can start enjoying free courses or cheap courses on Classgate. It's very easy. A lot of people are doing this. So let's get started. After logging in, search for the course you want to study. And today we're studying mathematics. Okay, everybody's studying maths, so we're doing maths today. We're searching for maths. And now you have all the mathematics courses available. Okay, and it's just 100 francs. Look, we already have one student here, and this course was uploaded today. Okay, and this is paper 1, Math Statistics 2023 Solutions. And this is paper 3, 2023 Advanced Level Solutions. And this is 2022 paper 3 Advanced Level Solutions. That's 100 francs each. Another free courses we have O Level Mathematics 2003 2023 GCE Solutions paper 1. Okay, so if you want to enjoy the free course, just enroll now. But I've told you enroll now, okay, and you take it to the classroom and you start enjoying your free course. But I've told you that if the course is paid, the button will be add to cart. You'll see the add to cart button. And let's buy pure math with statistics paper 1 2023. So I've added this to cart. See, I've added to cart button. And what you do after adding to cart, you want to click this. You can always click that blue icon that just popped up right there. You can click it to go and pay. You can also click the card icon. This is the card icon. Click on it. We have clicked the card icon and we are waiting. And you see, this is what is in our cart. We have Cameroon GCE 2023 pure math with statistics paper 1 advanced level solutions MCQs, and it's 100 francs. So the total we're paying is 100 francs, no charges. Just proceed to check out. Click the proceed to check out button like I have done. Proceed to check out. And on the checkout page, you just have to write your mobile money number. Okay, it takes Orange and MTN as our Cameroonian, so you write in your mobile money number. And complete payment. And if you are waiting the correct Cameroonian number, you see this button turns red. Okay, the gray button is now red, meaning you can pay now. So click on the complete payment button, and we're waiting. I've been given 2 minutes to pay for this call. So let's just wait for the prompt on our phone. So the prompt has already appeared on my phone, and I've dialed my mobile money pin. Okay, I've already approved transaction, so I'm just waiting for me to have access to the course. It won't take much time. There, I already have access to the course. See, now payment successful, billing success. If you want the receipt, you can always click here to see the receipt of the course that we have just bought. Okay, and this is the receipt of the course that we have bought. Very good receipt. Let's go here. Successful transfer, payment was successful. And after payment is successful, we want to enter the course. Just see from your profile icon. Okay, from the profile icon, go to enroll courses, and it has appeared on our course list. Okay, enroll courses. This is what we bought. We bought pure maths with statistics paper 1. We can start the course and start enjoying our MCQ solutions to maths GCE paper 1 2023. It will take a while for the course to load. They just click the play icon right here. Our course is loaded. Okay, if you want to use less megabytes, you can always select the quality you prefer, select it here. If you want to speed up the course, let's speed it up by 2 times. Okay, I speed the course up by 2 times, and this is how the course is. Okay, don't forget you can also ask questions. Very important, ask questions, and I want all of you to ask questions. The course instructor will be right there to respond to your queries. Okay, don't forget clazgate.com, educating comfort.